So let's talk about pricing first, because obviously if you're wanting it free or you're part of your Zoho One subscription, it's going to give you different abilities and features. So if we go to a monthly pricing, there's a free version you can use for free agents. You're going to get the email inbox, work modes, customizable help center, the knowledge base, the forums, the rebranding, basic reports, agent dashboards, and everything you can see there. Obviously, as you start paying more, then you're going to get more and more features, and you're going to get more things that you're going to want to customize and edit and make it really work for your area. Custom tickets, contract management. So if people are on a support contract, you want to be able to say, well, yes, this person's supported, this person's got that information, and also other things. So basically, there's three features. I'm going to show you the enterprise level one, because if you sign up for Zoho One, if you're on the Zoho One, if you're in the Z1 club with me, then everything is included in your Zoho One subscription at the enterprise level. So you're getting $30 per agent. Now, Zoho One's only $30 a month per user anyway. So even just signing up for Zoho One, if you've got more than 5 people, makes complete sense to me because it pays for itself. But I'm going to show you on the enterprise level. So there's not going to be anything blocked. If I notice something that's free versus paid, I'll try and point it out as we go. But so that's the price, and you're looking at $0 a month, $15 a month per agent plus tax, or $30 a month.